Welcome to the Sigsuncement ERP tutorial on creating asset sales scheme. Let's get it started. First, navigate to the asset sales scheme list and click on Add Asset Sales Scheme. Once you've clicked on Add Asset Sales Scheme, select the scheme type from the available options. If applicable, choose a warehouse to specify where the scheme will be applied. Then, select the item segment as either trade or non-trade. After selecting the item segment, choose the item code accordingly. If you do not select item in item code, then scheme will be applied for the item segment. For instance, if you've selected the trade segment, only trade items will be available for selection. Next, enter the details in the discount eligibility table, including the minimum and maximum quantity, discount rate, and description. Finally, click on Save. By following these steps, you can successfully create a asset sales scheme in Sigsuncement ERP. Now move forward to how to run sales scheme in Sigsuncement ERP. To start, navigate to the Sales Scheme Computation list and click on Add Sales Scheme Computation. After selecting this, specify the From and To dates. Next, choose the scheme and sales invoice series from the available options and select the expense account. You can input the credit note description in the CN description field. Now, click on the Get Data button to fetch eligible invoices into the eligible discount table. Click on Edit to view detailed information such as invoice ID, customer code, customer name, eligible scheme discount, total sales, total eligible quantity, in bags, total discount, and apply tax withholding amount if the customer is eligible for TDS. You can also view reports by clicking on View Report. Afterwards, select the item and tax template for the credit note. The total quantity and total discount are calculated based on the invoices fetched in the eligible discount table. Finally, click on Save and Submit. After clicking on Submit, click on Create Credit Note button. Upon successful creation, a message confirming the creation of the credit note will be displayed. By following these steps, you can successfully create a sales scheme computation in Sigsuncement ERP.